Hello, my friend. It's Steve. Today, I want to tell you about something every immigrant remembers. Not the first job, not the first English mistake, and not the first American smile. I want to tell you about the first winter. Because that winter doesn't just freeze your hands. It freezes your old life. It changes you from the inside. Let's begin. Chapter 1: The cold I was not ready for. In Poland, winters are cold, but familiar, predictable, a part of life. But in America, my first winter felt different. The wind was sharp. The sky was heavy. The streets were quiet, as if the world was holding its breath. I remember walking to work at 5 a.m., the snow hitting my face and my shoes completely wet, my fingers burning. And I thought, Steve, what are you doing here? But I kept walking. Because immigrants don't stop. We don't have the luxury to stop. Chapter 2: Winter teaches you who you are. The cold didn't just attack my body, it attacked my confidence. Every morning felt like a test. Every night felt longer. And the silence. Oh, the silence. When you're alone in a new country, winter is not just a season. It becomes a mirror. It shows you your fears, your weakness, your loneliness, but also your strength. Because every time you wake up and step into the snow, you win one small victory every day. Chapter 3: The day I almost turned back. One morning, the snow was so deep, I couldn't see the sidewalk. My jacket was too thin. My shoes were too old. My English was still terrible. I walked 200 meters, then stopped. I looked at the sky and whispered, I can't do this anymore. My breath froze in the air. But then I remembered something. My mother's voice saying before I left Poland, Steve, life will push you. Push back. So I pushed. One step, then another. Then another. That day, I didn't just survive the cold. I survived myself. Chapter 4: The winter that made me strong. People think immigrants become strong because of success. We become strong because of survival. We learn to work in the cold, to walk in the dark, to smile even when we're tired, to fight even when nobody sees us. My first winter in America did not welcome me, but it shaped me, it cut me, it rebuilt me. Winter didn't break me, it prepared me. Chapter 5: When the snow finally melted. Spring came slowly. The first time I saw the sun again, it felt like a blessing. But I was not the same man anymore. The boy who arrived from Poland was gone. The man who survived winter had taken his place. And from that day, I believed something. I still believe today. If you can survive your first winter in a new country, you can survive anything. Thank you for listening, my friend. If you're going through your own winter, in life, in your mind, in your journey, remember, winter always ends, And when it does, you won't be the same person. You'll be stronger. See you in the next episode.